Hello class, today I will be talking about chook ball. First, we need to know how to play. The game is played on a handball court or a basketball court, which is 20 by 40 meters. Two teams of 7 players, 2 rebound surfaces on both ends of the court in the middle of the forbidden zone. The forbidden zone we will talk about in a little bit. There is a 3-pass limit before shooting the ball at the rebound surface on either end of the court. The other team places themselves where they think the ball will land, then catch the ball before it lands to prevent a point. No intercepting passes and no interfering with the opposite team players. There are 3 periods of 15 minutes. Have fun and stay safe is the most important. Now the forbidden zone, this zone is in front of the rebound surfaces on both sides of the court. It is a semicircle with a 3-meter radius. A player is not allowed in this zone unless they have shot or passed the ball. If the ball is in your hands, you may not be in this zone at all. Gameplay. You start off with rock, paper, scissors, or a coin flip. The winning team starts by throwing out next to the rebound surfaces. This does not count towards your 3 passes. After a team scores, the team that throws out must take their next shot on the opposite end of the court. Once the offense shoots and the defense recovers by catching it in the air, then they become the offense. The offense can shoot on either side of the court that they want to. Scoring. This is very, very important. You can only score a point by throwing the ball against the rebound surface and it hitting the ground outside the forbidden zone. Your team gives the other team a point in 3 different ways. First, you throw the ball at the rebound surface and it comes back and hits you. Secondly, if you throw the ball and it completely misses the rebound surface. Third, if you throw the ball and it hits inside of the forbidden zone. Materials needed. You will need 1 handball, 2 rebound surfaces on both ends of the court. Penalties. Moves while dribbling the ball on the floor or generally in the air. Takes more than 3 footsteps on the floor while in possession of the ball, plays using parts of his body below his knees, makes a 4th pass for his team, blocks his opponents from moving or stops them from freely passing the ball once they have gained possession, hits the frame of the rebound surface with the ball, makes contact with the floor out of bounds or in the forbidden zone while holding the ball, drops the ball after it is passed to him, voluntarily or by error catches a pass from the other team, catches a ball off of the rebound surface that was shot by one of his teammates. Now the biggest part of these penalties is after it is committed, the other team gets the ball right where you committed this penalty. Remember the number 3. No more than 3 seconds to hold the ball, no more than 3 steps allowed while holding the ball, no more than 3 passes before you shoot, no more than 3 shots in a row at the same rebound surface. And that is all, folks. Thank you.